Hey everyone on YouTube. Today we are talking about our slider revolution. That is a plugin which is downloaded and upload on the WordPress. This is not available on a WordPress existing plugin library. This is a demo of a slider revolution. You can make it slide like that, which makes your website in a next level. But for creating a demo like that, you need a good experience in a slider revolution. You can also create this kind of slide in a free version, but you need some good experience in a slider evolution. You need to work on your thought process, you need to work on your imagination, you need to work on your creativity, so you can build easily this kind of slides. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move on the working. Now we come back to our dashboard. Firstly, we need to install slider evolution. We click on a plugin, then we click on add new plugin, and then we click on a upload plugin. You choose a file, and here is our slider evolution. Just click on double tap, and then it's click on install. Forget about this, it's a little bit error. It's working on a previous project, that's why this error is coming to the page. Okay, now it's installing. uh, it's pop up a message that is it's already installation. So if we forget about it, just replace current with uploaded, because I have installed before, so that is why this message come into the screen. Now it's removing current plugin, and now again install of the new version. Okay, now go to the click on the go back to plugin installer. Now here you can see that the slider revolutions added here, and also you can see click on a plugin, and here you can see in the list plugin list here your slider revolution. Okay. After that, you need to click on the slider revolution, and here you can see a dashboard of slider revolution. I have created a one slider before, so we create a new blank module, so it create a working environment for us. So just click on cut, and here you can see that you slider revolution create a editable environment for us. We can create a beautiful slide according to their design, according to their wish, according to their imagination. What you think about, you can put your imagination on the slides. So firstly, what we can do, we see the every feature and every tool over slider revolution. Here you can see the firstly on the top bar, you see if you click on back to go to a previous dashboard. Here you how many slides you have in right now. So you can see we have a one only slide, so you it's a blank transparent page. How many layers you need to add it. You can add text button, etc. We discuss everything about these things. Here you can set the size of a screen. It's for a laptop, it's for a tablet, it's for a mobile phone, and if you done anything wrong, you can undo. Okay, so firstly, what we need to do here is you can click the layout. Okay, so here a layout, you can see that how what is width and height default set here. Okay, you can edit according to your design, according to your wish. You can here write a 400 pixel and 500 pixel. Okay, so here you can edit a overlay. Why we add overlay? If our background images are too much dark and too much white, if our text is not visible, so that is why we add a overlay here. Okay, fine. So you can add image here. If you want to, you can add a image. Okay, so firstly, I need to add a background image. So how can I add it? So I go to here, and I click on the setting. Okay, I click on a setting here. It's open a setting for us, and you need to go to slide options. Okay, here you can see the background thumbnail. If your background is not uploaded, your thumbnail is firstly uploaded. Okay, so you click on the background. Here you can say transparent, you can edit a color, you can edit what you want, you can edit video, etc. I added a image. Okay, image from what is a media library. You can add also external image. You can put here a URL also. So I click on the image and click on the media library. So firstly, I add this image on my background. It's automatically setting for you to cover, to make it responsive for you. Okay, so you need to do any worry about it. It's with setting up width and height and make it cover, obtain, etc. So here your image. Okay, so if I add some text here. Okay, you click on the add layer, click on text. You can see uh, I click on control Z to undo. If I put text here, it's little bit difficult to readable. Okay, so firstly, in a previous section I discussed about overlay. Okay, so now we see the what is working of a overlay. Okay, you click on the overlay, you can click dotted. Okay, so here you dotted, you can add a blackish color. Here you can see it's totally black, so we do not dot black, we just add opacity and make it more visible. Okay, so what we do next, I added a heading here. I click on a when you want to some element, so you need to click on this element, then you need to click on the content. Okay, so here you can write welcome. Okay, here you can write welcome, L is lowercase. So here you can write welcome, you can add, go to advanced, you can setting a, on the middle. Okay, then you can edit a size of a text, you can edit a font family from here. So I edit a Bibus news. I like it. It's a modern font family. It's very looking good. So after that, I add one more heading. I click on the quick style heading. You can see here a lot of headings option here. I click on the roboto, this one, and then I just drag and drop here. It's very easy to use, and its animation is amazing. Is free of cost. Animation is also amazing. I click on the center, alignment center, then I go to the setting, title no slide, click on the element, then I go to content. I write here a programming for everyone. You can write everything according to your wish. I just, it's a demo, programming for programming to everyone. Okay, it's very easy. Now again I go to a size, a style, and a little bit I like to make it more visible, and then I click on the Webs news. Okay, it's fine. A little bit not in a good position. I make it more bigger, and also I make it more 35. Okay, fine. So you can see that the welcome and program to everyone is written here, and now I add a paragraph. It's a spotting text adding in a bottom. I just drag and drop here, copy, and click on the content and just copy and paste. uh, I remove it this section, copy, and add more text. Okay, fine. Now our spotted text is ready here. I just need to add in the bottom of a heading. I just deleted more text, and now I need to make the center. How I can make a center? I click on style, then I go to the bottom. Here you can see a setting here. Okay, fine. Now click the center. Now you can see that your style paragraph in the center, and now I want to make a center of according to the page. So how I can do that? I click, go to size, pause, and click on the center. Now you can see that our slide, everything in a center mode. Okay, so I only think one more add. I click on a button. Now here is a multiple design here. I just click on this one, and I need to add here and make it page center. Okay, you see that, just click on the only one thing, it's make it the horizontal center. Okay, so click on the content. I get it right here, I get a quote. Okay, fine. So I go to a setting, make it roboto business news. Okay, fine. So make it, if you want to make a beautiful design, so make a symmetric. Okay, make a relevant things again and again. Do not use a multiple font family to make a worst page. Okay, fine. I click on the get a code, and then I click on the gray color of background and white. It's looking fine. Okay, so our page is ready. Now we need to working on animation. Okay, so firstly what we do, that we add animation on a background. Okay, firstly how we can add a animation in a background? We click on the setting. Here is a no animation module, and here is also node, and click on the slide option. Here you can see the animation module. You click on the animation. Here you can see a lots of animation is here. You can add flow, view dark, this and that. Boxes you want to edit with the boxes, you can also edit. You can add like that, rotation, scale, zoom. You can see that here's a lots of effect, is a free effects. Okay, you can select it one according to your wish. Maybe I'll like to use row. Hmm, I think random. Okay, okay. Okay, select one this. Okay, so I select this one, and now I want to add an animation on a heading. Okay, so how can I add a heading animation? I click on the heading and then go to the animation. Where is it? It's here. I click on here and go to there, and here is where is the animation. um, Look here at visibility, action, hover. Here is animation. Okay, you click on the animation. Now you can add here is the two animation. One is in and one is out. In means when your page is load, and out is when your page move to next slide. Okay, you can add both type of animation here. So I click here. I click here. So I click add animation here. Okay, fine. So I go back to the main page, and same I follow same pattern on the every heading. Okay, fine. Now okay, I added like that, and I also added this one. Okay, I run the play button. Now you can see that our animation is added, our slide is also ready. So what I do next, I just click on the new slide and make it duplicate. You can make a duplicate design, just change the background photo and content, the animation and other things automatically added here. Just I click on the save changing, and I want to add on my page, home page. So how I can add it, I just go to again dashboard and go to the home page, and easily I can add it. Okay, I go to Elementor, it's editable mode on. So firstly what I do, so it's firstly is make it completely convert in editable mode. Okay, fine. Now you can see that previous video, so I can create a hero section here, and I want to add a slider now. So click on plus icon, click on the row, and then you search here the slider revolution. Here is the widget, you just drag and drop here and ask you which one slider you want to add. You select those one which you want to edit on the slide. Okay, so now you can see that your slider is added here. Just update, and here is a one missing thing. Here's a no bullet and arrows. How you can add a bullets and arrow? You go to there, and here you can see the bullets. Okay, you just on, and arrow you just click on. You click on save changes and update here. You just uh, here and refresh the page. Now you can see that bullets and arrow are added on your slide. You can see that, click on this one. Now you can see how is amazing looking like that. Now our video is finished here. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, if you like my video, so please like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you.